How to add translate option in Instagram bio. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add translate option in Instagram bio. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So to do that, just simply open your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. Once you have done updating your Instagram app, you may now open it. And then what you're going to do is to go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then go to edit profile right here. And what you're going to do is to change your bio into a different language. So for example, your main language is English. So make sure to change it to whichever language that you want. You may use the Google Translate on your web browser and you should translate it to another language. For example, I have here the simple hello right here. It is in English, but whenever I paste something like this one, which is on Spanish, and you click on done found on the upper right corner of your screen and wait for it to load. Click on done once again on the upper right corner and you should refresh your profile again and again. And you may be able to see the C translation option right here. So just press on C translation, and then you may be able to see the English version or whichever language that you are or what you have right now. So that's it. That's how you can add translate option in Instagram bio.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.